welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do one of our signature dish which is known as fried anchovies with eggs, and these are the ingredients. First, we are going to add oil into our heated pan. And we are going to fry our anchovies. This is about 200 grams of anchovies. We have to fry our anchovies until it becomes crispy. We have to keep our fried anchovies aside. And next, we have to add oil together with sliced onion. Add curry leaves. Next, 1 teaspoon of turmeric and also 1 teaspoon of chili powder. After the mixture creates a pleasant smell, we have to add 4 eggs. We have to mix the eggs properly. In the middle of the eggs are being half cooked, add the anchovies. until the eggs and anchovies are resulted. As you can see from this video, we need to add a bit of pepper and also a bit of salt. This is the outcome of our signature dish for today. Please let us know after trying our dish in the comments below. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the bell button and thank you for watching.